In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sure iCloud Drive is syncing properly. We all rely on iCloud Drive to keep our files accessible and organized, whether for work, school, or personal use. So, ensuring that your files are syncing correctly across all your devices is crucial. Let's start by checking if your iCloud Drive is toggled on. Begin by opening the Settings app on your device. Once there, tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. From here, you'll want to select iCloud and then find iCloud Drive in the list. It's essential to make sure that the iCloud Drive toggle is switched on here. If it's not, go ahead and turn it on to enable syncing. Next, you need to ensure that the apps you want to sync using iCloud are properly configured. Still within the iCloud settings, look for the list of applications that are authorized to use iCloud Drive. Check that the apps you want, like files or pages, have the toggle turned on. This step ensures that the app data syncs seamlessly across your devices. Now let's verify that your files are appearing correctly in the Files app. Open the Files app on your device, then tap on the Browse option at the bottom of the screen. Here you should see iCloud Drive as one of the locations. Select iCloud Drive and you should be able to see your synced files. If your files are visible here, it means your iCloud Drive is functioning correctly. Moving on, let's address a couple of important factors that can affect syncing. iCloud Drive requires a stable internet connection, primarily through Wi-Fi, to sync files effectively. Sometimes, especially with larger files, a power connection can also be necessary to complete the syncing process. Keep this in mind, especially when working with significant data. Here's a little bonus tip for you: make sure that your device's low power mode is turned off. When activated, low power mode can interrupt iCloud syncing to conserve energy, which can delay the process. To check this, go to Settings, tap on Battery, and ensure that the low power mode toggle is turned off. By following these steps, you're making sure that your iCloud Drive syncs smoothly, allowing you to access your important files whenever and wherever you need them. Remember, keeping iCloud Drive and your apps correctly configured, as well as maintaining a strong internet connection and disabling low power mode, can significantly improve the syncing process. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.